Zdravo, ja sam Andrea od Learnwithsmile. In today's video we are going to talk about the verb ИМА and its negative form NEMA, but about the second usage of it, and the meaning in English is there is, there are, or there isn't, there aren't, the negative form. What is important to know here is that ИМА in this situation cannot be conjugated. We are not going to change it accordingly the subject, you know, like the previous lesson we did imam, imash, etc. So here we are going to use just the shape ИМА and NEMA, okay? The meaning of ИМА is there is or there are. In English can change accordingly the noun if it's in singular or plural, but in Macedonian won't change, okay? That's the same way for NEMA. If we want to say there isn't or there aren't, we're going to use just NEMA. Now let's see how we use it in a sentence. I've written here a few sentences and I'm going to read them. Во Скопје има река. Во Скопје има река. Во Скопје means in Skopje. So we have a preposition here. Во Skopje, just like in English, the preposition comes in front of the noun. So во Skopje, there is има, and then we use reka. What is there? There is a river. Reka, a river. So во Skopje има reka. As you can see, the order of the words is a little bit different. In English, you start with there is, or there are, or there isn't, there aren't. But in Macedonian, usually we start with the preposition vo Skopje, then we use in Skopje, then we use there is, and then reka, there is a river. What is there? A river, okay? So if I want to say this in plural, in English would be in Skopje there are rivers, right? But in Macedonian, it's the same order of the words. Vo Skopje ima, we don't change the verb. And the only thing that will change here is reka will become reki, okay? To make it plural. But that's all. And nothing else changes here. Perfect. The second sentence. Na zidot ima časovnik. Na zidot ima časovnik. So, na zidot, as you can see here in this sentence as well, we have started with the preposition na. Na zidot. Na zidot means on the wall. On the wall, okay? Na zidot, on the wall. So I'm not using vo here because I'm not talking about in the wall. I'm not saying inside of the wall. I'm saying on the wall, on the surface of the wall. There is, right? There is. What is there? Časovnik. Časovnik means clock. So there is a clock on the wall. Na zidot ima časovnik. So the order, the right order in Macedonian shall be on the wall there is a clock. Okay. Na zidot ima časovnik. Usually, when we use prepositions, the words that come after the preposition get this article. So, o, ta, to, te. It's like saying on the wall. We don't say on wall, right? We have to say on the wall. So, na zidot. If I say na zid, it means on wall. But na zidot means on the wall. There is a clock. Perfect. The third sentence. Pod masata ima mače. Pod masata ima mače. Pod is also another preposition, so in this video we are learning the prepositions as well. Pod masata means under the table. Pod is under. Also pod as a noun has another meaning, which means floor. On the floor, for example, if there is something on the floor, pod. But here we are going to use it as a preposition, So, pod masata means under the table. Under the table. As you can see here, also we have used the article ta. So, Под масата има маче. Under the table there is mache. Mache, what is mache? Mache is a cat. So there is a cat under the table. But in Macedonian, under the table there is a cat. Okay? And it's the same rule like in the previous sentences, in the previous examples. If I want to make it plural, I'm not going to change this part. I'm only going to change the number of the noun, mache. I'm going to make it in plural. So, под масата има мачиња. If I want to make it plural, под масата има мачиња. Okay? We are not going to change има. Perfect. The fourth sentence. Зад вратата има чадор. Зад вратата, behind, зад, behind the door, зад вратата има чадор. Behind the door, there is an umbrella. Чадор means an umbrella. Зад вратата има чадор. Behind the door, there is an umbrella. Okay, perfect. Then the fifth sentence. Пред мене има камера. Пред мене има камера. Пред мене means in front of me. Пред can be used as in front or before. So, пред мене, in front of me. Мене here is used as me. Before, in front of me, there is има. What is there in front of me? A camera. Camera. A camera. So, in front of me, there is a camera. Пред мене има камера. Or there is a camera in front of me. Perfect. Then, the next sentence. До прозорецот има стол. До прозорецот, next to the window. Next to, do, next to something, like next to me there is this board. So next to the window, prozorec is window, and here also we have used the article. Do prozorecot, next to the window, there is a chair. Има stol, there is a chair. Perfect. And the last sentence, во шишето има вода. Во шишето, just like the first sentence, во in, we said in, во шишето. Shisha is bottle, so inside, in the bottle, inside of the bottle. Во шишето, in the bottle, има, there is what? Water. Voda, voda, water. In the bottle, there is a water. Okay, so во шишето. Perfect. So now we are going to see some examples with nema, the negative form of the verb ИМА. As we already mentioned, nema means there is not or there are not, okay? And we do not conjugate this verb, just like in the case with ИМА. So, во Скопје нема море. I changed the words. Во Скопје нема море means in Skopje there is no, there isn't. More means sea, so there is no sea in Skopje. Во Скопје нема море, okay? Над зидот нема слика. Над зидот, on the wall, there is not, there isn't. Slika means picture, so there is no picture on the wall. Под масата, under the table, нема куче. There is no dog, there isn't any dog. Under the table. Под масата нема куче. Зад вратата нема чевли. Behind the door, зад вратата нема, there isn't or there aren't. What? Чевли means shoes. It doesn't matter if it's singular or plural. Нема will remain just the same. So нема. Пред мене, in front of me, нема кревет. There isn't any bed. There is no bed in front of me. Okay? Пред мене нема кревет. Кревет, bed. До прозорецот нема цвеќе. До прозорецот, next to the window, we said, до прозорецот нема, there is not, there isn't, цвеќе. Цвеќе, flowers or plants maybe. And the last one, во шишето нема чај. Во шишето, in the bottle, there is no what? Chai, tea. So there is no tea in the bottle. Okay, so the order of the words is the same, everything remains the same. We only changed ima into nema. Okay, and also I changed the words here just for you to practice new vocabulary. And that's all. So today we have seen a few prepositions. Vo, which means in, na, on, we said on the wall. Then we have pod, under, zad, behind, pred, in front, do, next to, and also vo, in. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. Se gledame. Ciao, ciao.